Hi, so let's again solve one integral solution question of algebra mod where we have three variables. We can solve this question in 1 minute if we know the prerequisite things. First, mod x mod y mod z equal to k if we have three variables in the mod with the coefficient 1, then the final integral solution is 4 into k square plus 2. And for the three variables mod equal to 0, then answer is 1. If we know these two prerequisite things in advance, we can solve question in 1 minute. How? Let's solve this question with one example. If mod x y z equal to 4, then answer should be 4 into 4 square plus 2 is equal to 66. Similarly, if this one is equal to 0, it 1. So relate these two with the equations we have or the conditions we have, and we can solve our question within a minute. So this is our question. So our question is less than equal to 3. So this could be written as equal to 3, equal to 2, equal to 1, and equal to 0. Equal to 3, we have 4 into 3 square plus 2, equal to 2, 4 into 2 square plus 2, so 4 into 1 square plus 2, and the 1. We need to add all the values and we get the answer 63. Bingo, we solve this question in 1 minute. Now, number of integral solution is in front of you. I would say please pause the video and print out this funda completely. Since you have understand and आपने इसको solve भी कर लिया है, इसको समझ लिया है और इसका screenshot भी ले लिया है, तो let's solve one homework which is in front of you. Find the number of solution for this question, post answer in the comment and आप मुझको बताओ कि 1 minute 1 solution क्या आपको पसंद आ रहा है इन कमेंट करके, तो मैं इसको कंटिन्यू करूंगा. Till then, God bless you, happy learning and bye.